Tell me about the tube room.
Yeah. This is going to be one of my favorite rooms I ever made. So the goal in Mercer is always to create new challenge in front of us, to create new installations. What used to be the nomadic tube room now is the engine room. Creating the new installation, the new room in Mercer Lab. It's going to call the engine. It's a super interesting installation that it's more like a meditation kind of vibe when you're coming in. It's going to be interesting to see the end result, but we're just starting. We're going to put the LEDs, screens. We're looking at 1.5 pitch. Going to go all the way up, side to side, and then we're going to test the content into it. Sound, sense, you know, the whole energy. It's going to be interesting. Stay tuned. So this specific room, it's a completely different approach. Getting in there and immerse yourself into that room will give you an insane energy. I really want you to sit there and enjoy the segment right after each other. It's almost like a rhythm. It takes you from one place to another. It takes you from this incredible, surreal moment to very architectural, inspired from Monet, inspired from Mondrian, inspired from Roman sculptures. So many different kinds and so many different ways. It takes you to my journey. We have to clean the space before we test it. If it's not clean, it's not going to be the same. We try to approach something very minimal and clean in here, so it has to be clean. Yes. Testing is the most incredible moment after you build up the room and everything is set and the machines are there, everything works. The light level, the pixel pitch, the whole thing just works. Then we, getting into the space and I start playing and drawing on that in the room. So the process of testing at the space, you cannot predict that by doing, renderings before or different imagery. You think in your mind that things will work, but it's completely the opposite. You have to be in the room. You have to see the mistakes you're doing and implement through it and really understand the energy that we're receiving from technology and light. Really takes us with sound and scent and the whole thing is just like incredible. Let's go to the engine room. Whoa. Okay. So we have the interactivity here. Yeah. Those two moments will go here. Yeah, that's wonderful. No, yeah, up. Yeah, this way, that's it. So we're going through all the headaches. So many things to do, to put together, right? At the end of the day, when people coming in and see that fills me, that makes me feel alive. And that's why it's reminding me why I'm doing all this hard work. Just because of that. Day of the event, first days we actually experimenting in the room with guests. It's always exciting to do a new room at Mercer. Tomorrow it's going to open to the public. People can actually have a chance to come and see and interact with that. It's a crazy installation, and you guys got to check it out. Is it working? Is it going? Thank you. Yeah, I feel like the gradient adds so much to the vibe. You know, we talk about something, this is just like super powerful. You can do whatever you want. And it's just the beginning of the engine, because the engine is going to transform and change to anything we want.